Hey guys, nandito na tayo sa Central World. Ito yung pick-up para dun sa tour natin, yung temple tour. Tatlo yung temples na pupuntahan. Yun nga yung Grand Palace, Wat Arun. Tsaka meron pa isa yan, hindi ko sure kung saan. Naligaw pa kami doon kami nagpunta sa kabilang side. Yung tour pala is from 10 a.m. Sabi, dapat mga 15 minutes before, dapat nandun ka na sa meet-up point. So, dapat 9:45. Pagka na-late ka, wala na. Hindi na refundable. So, dapat on time ka. Yung tour mismo is around 2 hours or 2.5 hours ata. Tapos, dito yung pick-up, tapos yung drop-off later, dito din. Sabi, hanapin lang daw yung staff. Ayun ata yung staff ng Klook para makapunta kami dito sa Central World. Sumakay na lang din kami ng train. Meron naman kami ng BTS card. Yan yung pamasahe. Parang 45 pesos ata. Ano pala? 45 baht. So, around 90 pesos. Ayan, ito na nga yung Klook Lounge. Here. Tara na daw. Ay, group tour picture.
Yeah, we go to first place is the Grand Palace and
Grand
Wat Phra Kaew.
Palace.
About 30 or 40 minutes when not traffic jam. Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew was built in 1782. This year about was built 243 years ago.
Oh, nice.
Why? Later King Rama the First
Rama the
was
First.
built new capital at the Bangkok in 1782. Area about 60 acres.
Oh, ang laki.
But actually, when we what built is the Grand Palace. We copy from Ayutthaya. You went or not Ayutthaya?
No.
You know Ayutthaya?
No.
You know or not Ayutthaya? Ayutthaya is World Heritage Historical City.
I'm sorry.
World Heritage Historical City. You know World Heritage.
No.
UNESCO, you know?
UNESCO, World Heritage.
World Heritage.
Ah, okay.
Ayutthaya.
Ikaw na talaga.
Thailand is Buddhism.
Yeah, Buddhist.
About 95% is Buddhism. 3% is Muslim. 2% is Christian.
May Christians pala dito.
Yes. And you know or not, is Bangkok is capital of Thailand, right? And you know is Krung Thep. You know Krung Thep.
What's that?
Krung Thep is Bangkok. Is Krung
It's the
Thep.
same.
Krung
Yeah.
is the short name. You
Yeah,
know
the name
Krung?
is very long, right?
Yes. Very long name is กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทราอยุธยามหาดิลกพบนพรัตน์ราชธานีบุรีรัมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถานอมรพิมานอวตารสถิตสกัดทัตยวิษณุคำประสิทธิ์
Yeah, I've heard it before. Yeah, it's very long.
Why? Because it's กรุงเทพ or Bangkok, like a city of ancient. And right your side you can see is Buddhist temple.
Buddhist temple.
Because Thailand is more than 30,000 Buddhist temple. But
dami.
more beautiful. And right your side is Buddhist temple.
Buddhist
And
temple
you
again.
can see it's flat. And
Pala.
how many days you stay in Bangkok, Thailand?
6 days.
6 days, oh, really long time,
Yes.
really long stay. But when we have time, right? When you have time, you can go to outside Bangkok. For example, it's Pattaya.
Yeah, Pattaya.
You went or not?
No,
No.
we were supposed to, but we chose to stay here.
Okay, you can walk, relax at the walking street.
Ah.
Many bar like Akoko. You know Akoko? You know Akoko? Philippines, I don't know. Yeah, Akoko like a lady at
Ladyboy.
No.
No.
Akoko like
Ano ba?
lady looking like a sexy woman, you know, underwear, you know, and dancing. But you talk it lady boy, it Akasa or Tiffany, it's cabaret show.
Ah,
It's
cabaret.
show.
Ah.
You know why? It's a Thai many lady boy. You know or
Yeah,
not?
yeah,
You know or
there's
not?
many.
Because
know.
Thailand like a freedom.
Yeah, freedom.
It's a freedom.
Yeah.
And not dangerous. What hotel you live in Bangkok?
Hop in Thonburi station.
Oh, Thonburi.
Yes.
You take BTS Skytrain.
Yes, BTS.
Yes, right. Very easy and not traffic jam. You can take BTS
Yeah,
Skytrain,
yeah, it's very quick.
MRT, you know MRT,
Yeah.
subway or metro.
Subway.
Yes.
May subway
And what airport you arrive? Bangkok.
Suvarnapur.
Suvarnapur. You can take airport Deoling from Payathai, the first station, until last station, Suvarnapuri Airport.
Yeah, that's how we went here.
Yes, from Payathai, first station and last station, Suvarnapuri Airport, about 20 minutes.
Yeah, we paid
you know,
45 baht.
Yes, right. Actually, you know, it's a Thai food, very hot and spicy.
Yeah.
When you cannot eat hot and spicy, you call in Thai. ไม่เผ็ด ไม่เผ็ด คือ no spicy.
I like hot and spicy, so Thailand is perfect for me.
Yes, right. If you have time, night time, I recommend you can take dinner cruise.
Yeah, later we will have dinner cruise because it's my birthday today.
Oh,
Yeah.
today.
Yes, today.
Oh, happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Thank you very much. Kapun kap.
Okay. Okay, we get off
so-
this place and we walk to
Ito
the
na pala.
Grand Palace and Wat Plakel.
Ayan na yung temple.
Right side, please.
Lahat daw ng sakay ng van, mga Pinoy lahat.
Okay, this way.
100 baht daw.
Para kayo, bigay mo kay ano?
Bawal yung see-through.
ก็ใจผมอะสงสารลูกค้าเพราะว่า
Pwede bang 500?
Ramadan night.
About 9 years ago. King Rama IX, the father of King Rama
Ramadan
10.
10th.
And nowadays, King Chakri dynasty, we have is 10 king.
Yeah,
right?
10.
King Rama the first until King Rama IX is passed away. And now is King Rama 10.
Yes. Ayan si King Rama the 9th.
Okay. Okay, ha? Okay, this way.
Ngayon, ang ganda. Oh my God. 60 hectares daw. Pwede daw panoorin, libre. Papakita yung ticket.
Oh.
Thank you.
7, 8. Okay.
Ito yung ticket. Ay, 500 baht. Tingnan mo ate, 500 baht.
Find it hard. Because actually, Thai people, when we want build like a temple or pavilion, we have it ช่อฟ้า ใบลากา หางหงส์ช่อฟ้า like a the eight of Garuda. You know it's Garuda?
What's
Garuda
that?
like a big bird. Like a
Big bird.
And nowadays, Indonesia use Garuda airline. But it's a Garuda is influence from Hinduism. Hinduism, yes. Garuda. And now, if you know banknote, you have banknote Thai baht.
Yes.
We use app Garuda or good.
Ayun daw pala yung mga nasa taas na yan, yung mga patusok. Thai culture, parang bird. Papasok na tayo sa loob. Ayan ka pala. Kala ko na pumasok ka na sa loob.
Okay, welcome to the Emerald Buddha.
Emerald Buddha.
We call it Wat Plakel.
Wat Prakel.
But
India.
Indian but it's Thai style.
Indian.
And tomorrow painting have 107 and 8 episode.
อ่า
Now พระบูสด you can see this tomorrow painting. But
Ito daw Indian.
we go King Rama. King Rama because it went from Ramayana.
Ramayana. Indian yung Rama. Golden. So yung name ng king nila is Rama. Dahil daw ganun, kasi yung original word nun is Ramayanai. Tapos, Indian daw yung root word na yun. Oh, wow. Here. Photo. Be, dito na daw.
Person. And it 2 person.
3.
3. Okay. Okay, this way first.
Ganda.
Okay, left your hand side. I represent for you is Bai Sema.
Bai
Bai
Sema.
Sema like a marker stone. we can like a meditation, you know,
Meditation.
like a meditation or
Yes.
meditation. This Royal Temple, we have two by Sema. You can see it by
Two.
Sema, but normal temple only one by
One.
Sema. No, normally temple monks stay in the temple, right?
Monks.
For learning, for study, Buddhist description. But except Wat Phra Kaew, monk not stay in the temple. Why? Because for royal ceremony.
For royal ceremony.
Yes. And inside we keep is Emerald Buddha.
Emerald Buddha.
You can see Emerald Buddha costume raining season, right?
May costume.
Now it's Thailand. We have it.
May costume yung
Three
Buddha.
season.
Nice. Iba-iba.
Raining season and after raining season is winter. After winter is summer.
May damit din siya.
And you know,
Nadadagdagan yung damit.
when we change costume by King Rama X. Now,
All the time. It's him who
yes,
changes it.
right.
Siya, si King Rama yung
and
nagpapalit
now you
ng
can see
damit. Yung
Emerald
golden
garment inside.
costume.
And inside cannot take picture. When you go to Phra Ubosot, you take off sunglasses and take off your shoes. Inside cannot take picture, but balcony outside, okay, you can take picture. And balcony, we have like a holy water. You know holy water? Yes, actually, it's in the temple when Thai people not feel good, you know, not happy. We come to the temple and monks spread water for you.
Holy
But
water.
except Wat Phra Kaew, monk not stay in the temple. You can spread yourself.
Let's go.
And around Phra Ubosot, you can
So parang dito, temple siya pero walang mga monks. Kasi royal place siya. Nandyan yung Emerald Buddha. Tapos si King Rama yung nagpapalit ng damit every season. Dito daw may 3 season. Winter, summer, tsaka rainy season. Ngayon is rainy. Pagka sa summer, wala pang masyadong damit. Tapos sa rainy, merong konti. Tapos pagka sa winter, yon madami na yung damit niya. Parang nako-cover na yung half ng body. Golden na damit. Ayan. Bawal daw mag-take ng pictures inside, pero sa balcony pwede daw. Bawal daw ang sapato sa loob. Iiwan dito. Ayan. Nakapaa lang. Hindi ako ate nakapagdala ng medyas. Ayan. Makikimarites tayo. Ayan dito. Ayan. Ayan siya. Yung nasa kaliwa, yung pagka-summer, nasa gitna, pagka-rainy, tapos pagka-winter, nasa kanan, madaming damit. Ayan. Bawal daw ang sa inside. Ito yung sinasabi kanina. Asan na ba sila? Ito yung sinasabi kanina, nasa mga temples daw merong holy water. Pero dito daw, sa temple na to, sa may Emerald Buddha, bawal daw ang mga monks. So, ikaw mismo yung naglalagay ng holy water. Pero sa ibang mga temples, si monks yung naglalagay sa'yo. So, ayan pala yun. Tsaka naisip ko, kaya siguro hindi pwede yung selfie stick. Bawal kasi selfie stick dito. Kasi pag mahaba yung selfie stick mo, possible na ma-videohan mo or ma-picturean mo yung loob. Tapos, magpa-photobomb ka din sa mga nagpi-picture tsaka nagbi-video. Kaya, yun. Kaya siguro bawal. Tapos na tayo. Kunin natin ating shoes.
This outer court.
Outer court.
Middle court is a parade. Inner court is parade too. The now, follow me and I explain you. It's a building at the temple. And after that, we go to the grand parade. When we not follow me, meeting point about 11:45.
11:45.
Okay, na?
Here.
Okay. When you follow me, okay, don't worry. Understand? Okay, follow me.
Okay. Pwedeng hindi mag-follow, pero ang meeting 11:45 dito. Tayo fa-follow naman tayo. At para meron tayong mga trivia.
You know, it's a born of Rishi, like a father of Thai medicine. Because you can see in front of you can see it can
Mortar.
make you medicine.
Medicine,
Because
panggawa ng medicine.
when you get massage, right? Is a massager, it's a recipe.
Parang mali ata yung sabi ko. Parang pagka sa temple, ikaw daw sa sarili mo yung maglalagay ng holy water. Pero pag sa iba, monk.
But actually, it's demon. It's a bad kind.
Bad demon.
That is demon is a bad kind.
Bad guy.
Bad, B-A-D, bad kind.
Why?
Is bad kind.
Is bad.
Okay, because Ramayana or Indian epic, demon Tosakan take advice from King Rama to Lanka, and actually when is demon take his wife from Rama, and King Rama keep back a wife at Ayodhya because it's demon is not is a bad kind. Understand? You can see it's a guardian nowadays. We what build like a guardian for to protect is evil.
Protect from evil.
Yes, and upstairs you can see is three architecture,
Three,
right?
yes.
The left side is Ratana Chedi, like golden stupa, but not golden. What built by Mosaic from Italy, and inside we
Mosaic from Italy.
keep, and inside we keep is relic of Buddha inside, and the middle
Relic of
you
Buddha.
can see like a new architecture, right? Because
Yeah.
it's renovated.
Renovated.
After COVID. Actually, this temple was built more than 243 years ago, right? About 50 years renovate like one time.
Every 50 years.
Yes, right? And Tlamonot inside we keep emerald, we keep Buddhist description, Buddhist description like you Christian come
Like the Bible,
yes,
yeah,
but
scripture inside,
in
Buddhist.
we keep like a Buddhist description on the corner bed.
okay.
And right your side is Royal Pantheon. Long time ago, we keep Emerald Buddha image inside
There,
Royal Pantheon, but inside what is small place, not too big, and we move from Royal
there
Pantheon
to there.
at Plau Buson.
Yes.
And nowadays, Royal Pantheon, we keep Buddha statue over the king pass away. Because inside you can see is statue over the King Rama the first until King Rama 9.
Ninth
Because King
statue.
Rama first, Rama passed away.
Yeah.
King Rama 10 not have.
Yeah.
But actually 1 year is open about 9 days
9 days.
for Thai New Year, King birthday, Queen birthday, King Rama 10 birthday, Queen Rama 9 birthday.
Only
something like
9
this. And
9
you
days
know
in
or
1
not,
year.
Yesterday, this place is closed. You know or not?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's holiday. The queen, it's birthday.
Correct. It's
Or
a
something.
Queen birthday. We call Mother Day.
Yeah, Mother's
Yeah,
Day.
Because it's a Mother Queen Rama 9 birthday. Augusta well there. That I take you go to inside and behind, behind พระบุญจบ you can see is model of Angkor Wat.
Angkor
You
Wat.
know where is located is Angkor Wat? Where? Siem Reap, Cambodia.
Yeah, Cambodia.
But actually, original one, right? Woody Big is long. You went on it? Oh, you went on it because it's long, about 1 kilometer and wide 800 meter. But actually, you know or not, long time ago, Cambodia is part of Siam, right?
Cambodia was part
Yes,
of
and
Siam.
actually, when we want to destroy Cambodia or Siem Reap, what built at the Bangkok or Thailand cannot beef, cannot destroy because original one very big. And then King Rama the Fourth what built copy from Angkor Wat,
copy.
what built at the Emerald Buddha. Okay, follow me. You want to get this?
Ito daw, itong building na to, yung loob daw, Italian mosaic. Siguro yung mga stone doon, mga mosaic, Italian. Sabi. Tapos, dati daw yung Emerald Buddha nandito sa isang building na to. Kaso masyado daw siyang maliit. So, nilipat dito sa isang temple dito. Tapos, yung dun sa dating pinaglagyan ng Emerald Buddha, ang nakalagay na daw statues ng mga past kings. So, from Rama the first to Rama the 9th. Ito pa pala, may chika pa, mayroon pang kwento. Ito daw, yung mga ganyan, parang evil or yan, parang evil or demon daw yung ganyan. Ang kwento is yung isang king ng Thailand yung asawa niya, kinuha ng demon, parang Rama the Fourth or something. Tapos ang ginawa niya, kinuha niya yung asawa niya. Tapos, hindi ko alam parang yung mga ganyan ata to ward of evil. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung demon. Parang hindi ata kasi parang mga guards to eh. So sila yung nag-guard para maalis yung mga demons. Ah, ito palang labas. Ito yung mosaic from Italy. Mosaic pala to. Kala ko yung nasa loob.
Ah, un po' di vento.
Ayan, so yung buong temple or yung buong building, mosaic from Italy. Ah, the model of
Yes,
Angkor
it's a
Wat.
Model of Angkor Wat is
Ah,
Cambodia.
model daw ng Angkor Wat. Miniature model. Pero yung Angkor Wat kasi 1 kilometer Angkor Wat.
Long, yes,
Yes,
and
one-
wide 800 meter. And original is Angkor Wat.
Yeah. So ito daw. Dati pala yung Siam or yung Thailand, part daw siya or sakop niya yung Cambodia. Ayan, kaya naglagay dito. Kinapi daw ng emperor, ng king yung Angkor Wat. Naglagay ng miniature model dito. Parang pati yung architecture ata. Made of stone. Yan siya.
You is, you know or not, is Bodhipotri. Oh, Potri. But actually, it's a Bodhipotri, Lord of Buddha, Siddhartha.
Ano daw po?
And right hand side is
Ano ba sabi?
Pagoda. But actually, long time ago, it's a Thailand export.
Statues.
The statue, you know,
What's this tree again?
Po,
Poetry.
PSO.
Poetry. What's about this tree? What about this tree?
Because Lord of Buddha, Siddhartha.
Ah, si Siddhartha Gautama Buddha.
Yes,
Ah,
Matay ata sa
Enlightenment, you know, enlightenment, but sometimes in Thai we call it knowledge everything and pass away at the die, you know,
Yeah.
under the body
ah,
tree.
here.
No,
No, not here.
tree.
Under this kind of tree.
Nepal, India.
Ah, Nepal, yes. He's from Nepal.
Okay.
Yeah. Ayun pala ang sinasabi.
Hindi ko pa rin naipin.
Oo.
Ikukwento ko sa'yo mamaya.
So yung god nila, si Buddha, si Siddhartha Gautama Buddha, namatay sa ilalim ng punong ganito, parang balete. Poetry ata?
How many is episode? How many peak? You remember, no?
170 something, 8? No.
178.
Yeah,
Yes.
178.
Opposite. Good. Interesting. And opposite is behind yours. You can see the last one and the first one about Ramayana because Indian is about
Ramayana.
พระอุโบสถ 107 and 8 because you can see this the last one. It's the episode, the last and the first one and the last one.
First one and the last one. Ah,
Because like a clockwise, you know, clockwise.
yeah, clockwise.
Yes,
First two.
around.
Ah,
Yes.
here. This is the last one.
Yes, and the first one, you can see number is Thai. 178.
Ah, 178.
And the first one is the first one.
First one. This is the first one. It's called Ramanaya.
Ramayana.
Ah, Ramayana.
Indian
Oo.
epic.
Indian epic.
You want to take picture with Ramayana? No. Okay.
It's Ramayana daw. Tapos Indian epic siya, tapos paikot ng buong temple. Ito yung pinakauna, tapos ito yung pinakahuli. Indian siya.
With demon, because actually it's like a monkey or demon. With monkey, with demon. You know or not?
No.
Without shoe.
Yeah,
is
without shoe. Monkey.
Demon,
Demon.
is with shoe.
Mm,
You want to take picture? Like back like this? You want? No.
we're okay.
Okay, and this is King Rama 9.
Ah, ayun yung mga statues.
King passed away because King Rama 10 is not passed away. Yes, do not have. And 1 year open about 9 days for Thai New Year, King birthday, free birthday, and coronation ceremony day, you know. And only Thailand now we use like Buddhist era. You know Buddhist era? You know Christian era?
Yeah.
This year, what month? 2025, right? But it's Buddhist era, 2568. Why? Because Lord
2568.
of Buddha passed away more than 250.
From the time of death,
Yes,
2568.
2568 years.
Mahilig po kasi ako sa history.
I think that is winning is raining. We go to the Grand Palace.
Grand
because
Palace.
This is the Emerald Buddha.
Yes. Ayun daw, yung sa Christian era, 2025 tayo ngayon. Pero sa kanila, Buddhist era, ang start niya is from the time na namatay si Buddha. And yung year nila sa Buddhist era is 2568 daw. So, mas naunang namatay si Buddha kesa kay Jesus. So, itong buo pala na to, ito lang yung Emerald Buddha. Tapos yung next, yung other part is yung Golden Palace. So, parang umikot lang. Mula dito kanina, paikot lang siya. Bumalik na naman dito. Dito rin galing. Tapos, sa kaliwang side, pag kumaliwa ka, papunta na sa Grand Palace.
Now we go to the
Grand Palace.
Because Grand Palace was built in the Midden Court.
I'm sorry?
Understand? When we was build the Grand Palace, we have outer court, central court,
yeah,
and
yeah.
inner court.
Inner court,
This area
outer
is
court.
outer court
Yeah.
for king ceremony. And inside, when coronation ceremony, we go to inside the Grand Palace.
Coronation.
Understand? Yes.
Yeah, coronation.
follow
Who
me.
lives in the Grand Palace? Who
Only
lives?
sightseeing. Okay.
No.
Sightseeing.
Kamako, King, Queen, Royal family stay, but nowadays nobody stay.
Where do they stay?
Another palace. Because it's a Bangkok, we have many
But not
palaces.
allowed to go inside.
No, cannot. Only sightseeing.
Oo, for coronation daw dito sa Grand Palace.
You can go inside throne, Royal Mint.
A Golden Palace.
Marin Vinichai throne or when we have coronation ceremony, you know
Yeah, coronation.
Yes, king on the throne and costume king like this.
Yeah.
Costume king
Yeah.
like this on the throne. And is when it coronation ceremony and royal family, you know,
Yes.
and Thai government
Yeah.
respect over the king.
Yeah.
And
They kiss the feet or something.
yes, right. And inside we have is the throne, three throne.
Three.
Amarin Vinichai, Paisan Taksin, and Chakravartiman. Chakravartiman is inner court. King and queen and royal family stay inside. Nowadays nobody stay inside, but actually nowadays we have like a school. Inside we're teaching up Thai cuisine, Thai school inside. Okay, follow me. This landmark, the Grand Palace, we call it Chakri Mahaprasad. Chakri, like a Chakri Dynasty, and Chakri Mahaprasad is very beautiful palace in the Grand Palace. You can see it's three, four. The first floor we keep like a people. The second floor like the second room, and third floor we have.
So, yun daw for coronation. Tapos meron silang tatlong throne. Hindi ko natatandaan yung isa, Taksin something.
Chakri Mahaprasad was built by King Rama V. And you can see his body like a European.
Yeah, European.
Victoria style. And look that is Thai style. When we saw like a Chow Fa, Bairaka, Isangong, is Thai culture, Thai architecture. And the last one is Duksit Mahaprasad throne hall. Inside we keep is royal bed, but
A royal
know or not
bed.
yet, you know or not when is the King Ramanai, King Bhumibol Adulyadej passed away, you know or not? We
just
keep inside Dusit Mahaprasad 1 year.
1 year.
And many people, many overseas, like a prime minister, like a president overseas,
Yeah, they paid
over the
respect.
king.
Yeah, ito naman Victorian style.
And if you want to take picture, I show you. It's the center, very beautiful. Take picture.
Victorian style daw ito. Oo, Victorian nga naman. Tapos nandito daw yung isang throne. Tapos nung namatay si King Bhumibol, yung ninth
Okay, keep me
Ramadan
mobile
night,
telephone
dito daw siya.
and
Dinala.
waiting queue. I can take you picture with
Ito picture
beautiful
daw.
place.
Oh, tapos na. Exit na tayo.
We're going now to exit.
Ito parang ano din siya, European din. Ganda. Tapos magkakatabi lang sila, no?
Okay, you can see it's a rooftop. You can see or not?
Roof,
This
yes.
is the bird. You can see. Yeah, it's Garuda. In Thai we call
yes.
root. Root of Garuda in Thai. Because root even
Bird. Yung nasa mga
this snow.
tusok-tusok. Di ba sa atin meron yung sari manok, di ba? Yung parang symbol. Sa kanila may ibon din sila. Yung nasa mga tusok-tusok na ganon, ibon daw yon.
The inside we keep is a royal bed, but
Royal bed.
yeah, when is King Rama IX first
Yeah,
passed
when
away,
he
we keep.
died. Punta daw tayo sa Wat Arun. Yung last na destination. Ride daw. Sasakay ng boat, parang 5 minutes. Papunta din sa Wat Arun. Punta tayo sa Wat Arun. Ayan, ferry to Wat Arun. Ayan yung Wat Arun. Ayan.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 วก
ไม่หมุนผิดเบี้ยวออกคนนึง
คุณไหน
เอาไหนครบยังถึงไหน
เนี่ย
คนนี้คนสุดท้ายเอาคนสุดท้ายเดินไปหาพี่ทางโน้น
Ayan, no? Yung water, reddish brown. Bakit kaya ganun? Ayan, sasakay tayo ng boat. Kaya ma-under na. Ayan. Yun, dito na tayo. Bilis lang pala. Ayun lang yung pinanggaling. Ito na yung Wat Arun. Ayan.
and the last
May kasamang water.
Okay, this way please to Wat Arun morning temple.
Morning
But
temple.
This traditional is temple of dawn.
Temple of Dawn.
Yes, it's a long time ago. This temple we call is Wat Mako.
Wat Mako.
Mako like a olive tree. You know olive?
Olive tree.
Yes.
Ah,
But
Wat Mako.
This temple was built in 17th
17th century.
in Ayutthaya
I
dynasty. It's a
see.
long time ago. But with the plan, it's about 16 meters.
60 meters.
16 meters.
16
Yes.
meters.
And when is Ayutthaya ruined, nobody restore this temple. And when we what build the Grand Palace and what Plakel, King Rama
Rama
the
the
first
first.
renovate.
Yeah, but he died.
Yet, King Rama the first renovate, but not finished. Yes,
Not
he
finished.
passed away.
Yeah.
And
King
later
Rama
King Rama the second,
second.
you can see picture of statue King Rama the second
Ah.
because King Rama the second renovate. Because actually, you know or not, Shiva, you know Shiva?
Shiva.
Shiva, you know?
Shiva.
You know?
Yes.
Yes. Because Hinduism respect Shiva Ling.
Yeah,
you know
Shiva.
Shiva Ling?
What's that?
You know Shiva Ling? You know Shiva, right?
Shiva, yes.
Yes. And you know Shiva Ling?
I don't know.
No. Shiva Ling like penis of Shiva.
Ah!
We call it Shiva Ling.
Shiva Ling.
Because, yes, Hinduism respect Shiva Ling. Like represent it Shiva.
Si Shiva daw, parang connected siya dito. Dahil Hindu ito. Tapos yung penis ni Shiva Ling, parang ganon. Ayan si King Rama, the 10th. Tapos ayan yung current consort niya. And ayan ata yung nanay niya, mom niya. Siya yung may birthday yesterday. Ayan, Wat Arun.
And not far from Wat Arun, we have it the own parade, Phonburi dynasty. Yes. And you know or not, Phonburi, we have only one king, King Taksin.
Taksim.
But actually, Sukhothai, we have 9 king, Sukhothai 9 king. Ayutthaya 33 king
33.
Thonburi only one king
One.
King Taksin and now King
Rama.
Chakri 10 king
Yeah,
and
Chakri.
inside you can see statue over the king Taksin
Taksin.
because King Taksin was built new capital Thonburi.
Thonburi.
You want to shopping or not?
Shopping,
Okay,
yes.
this way. Okay, this way.
Wow, ganda rin, ma'am.
Ilang picture ah?
Ayan, ang ganda. Ito daw, it was built in the 17th century. Pinatayo daw siya ni King Taksin. Ayan, namili tayo ng mga keychain pasalubong. Yung 100 baht. Etong mga ganito. Tapos yung natawaran ko ng 70 yung keychain na ganun. Tapos may isang keychain pa kami nabili. Yung leather naman na elephant din. Ayun, 100 baht yung mga keychain. Ito ang ganda. Yung madaming mga bilihan. Ayun pamaypay. O, di ba kanina binanggit yung Shivaling? Shivaling, ganon yung penis daw ni Shiva. Tapos merong mga ganito, parang penis nga. Ayan o. Parang sa atin sa Baguio. Penis na may monkey na nakahawak. Ayan. Ayan, mga Shivaling. Ayun, meron tayong trivia. Yun pala mga statue na yung mga ganyan. Mga demon pala sila. Akala ko soldier. Pero yung demon daw, parang inherently na bad. Pero they're protecting you daw from evil. So, even though na bad sila, they protect you from other evil, ganon. So, for protection daw, kaya merong mga ganyan. So, pagka yung mga ganyang nakasapatos, mga demon. Pero pagka yung walang sapatos, tapos merong parang paa na kamay, yung paa nila parang kamay, mga monkey daw yon. So, very interesting. Kasi di ba sa culture natin, meron lang good tsaka bad. Yung bad, hindi kanya pinaprotect from other bad or evil. Pero sa kanila, parang ganun daw. Tinanong ko sa tour guide namin. Yeah, very interesting lang. So yun, trivia. Ito pang extra trivia. Di ba sa atin, yung mga tao, minsan nagsusuot ng mga cross or yun, cruise, di ba? Pero dito daw, nagsusuot sila ng mga necklace na merong image ni Buddha, ganun. Kasi 95% daw ng mga Thai, mga Buddhist. So madami tayong natutunan sa tour na to. So pabalik na tayo sa van. Pabalik na ng Central World.